Members of Manipur University Students' Union tried to storm VC Pandey's official residence in Sanjenthong. Students forsake master's class examination. VC Professor A.P. Pandey's petition at the High Court of Manipur referred to double bench. Petition hearing proceeds tomorrow. Spokesperson of the government, Thongam Biswajit, seeks suggestions from all political parties in solving issues of the state, urges to stop intensifying issues. And Manipur-based company Salai Holdings sets forth to produce edible oils branded as Salai Achathao from its multi-crore factory in Nalbari district of Assam. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Members of Manipur University Students' Union, MUSU, tried to storm VC A.P. Pandey's official residence in Sanjenthong today. The agitating students chanted various slogans against VC Pandey's decision to temporarily shift Manipur University's office at Sanjenthong and against the existence of two vice-chancellors in the university. General Secretary of MUSU, Laishram Kennedy, further declared that students have renounced the master's class examination of the university. Acting on a tip-off regarding the students' agitations, Imphal West and Imphal East police halted the agitating students coming toward the VC's quarter at various places today. A team of Imphal East police led by additional SP prevented the students from entering VC's quarter in Sanjenthong. Heated confrontations ensued between the students and the police team for quite some time. Later, all the agitating students were taken to Porampat police station.
Maram Sadraba Manipur, the Labaki Maram Sadraba, A.P. Pandey Amadi, Register in charge, Sam Gresogi, Maki Tangtaba, Mafama, Habiti Lotok Dipova, Nasi Akuna Silakani have a posita. Agitation Gasi Hosere, University of Fisi, my father, Hosere Duga, Nasi BC quarter, Man, Labasi, Matiza, Madam Zade, Aduna, Hyperlax Sabani, Adungasi, Emasam, compatible authority, Ayabama, BC, Lotok, everybody Lotok, Akungasi, Pampas, Halloy, Nataka, Pale, Pabiro, Pubiro, Akungasi, Pampas, Suman Halloy, Asiki, Trang, the Koko, by Kazu Tazaro, Aduga, BC, so Tambirano, I'm compatible to the Lotopiro, I say.
Ahead of setting forth for VC Pandey's official residence today, the agitating students burnt the effigies of VC A.P. Pandey and Registrar in Charge M. Shyam Kishore at Manipur University Gate in Kanchipur, chanting various slogans against them. The agitating students also locked up the office of Registrar in Charge M. Shyam Kishore in the Life Science Department. The petition filed by Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor A.P. Pandey, at the High Court of Manipur has been referred to a double bench, keeping in view the recent controversies surrounding the VC. Hearing on the petition will proceed tomorrow. VC Pandey filed the petition in connection with the Memorandum of Agreement MOA signed between Joint Secretary of Ministry of Human Resource Development, Commissioner of Higher Education and Technical Education Manipur, and representatives of MUSU, MUTA and MUSA at Chief Minister's Secretariat under the supervision of Chief Minister Biren and Council of Ministers on August 16. In his petition, VC Pandey sought justice for humiliation on professional ground for banning him from discharging his duties. The petition was first listed to be heard by a single bench led by Justice N. Koteshwar. However, it was later transferred to a double bench after an in-depth discussion, keeping in consideration the recent controversies surrounding him. Union of India Registrar in Charge of Manipur University, Professor S.H. Dorendrajit, Manipur University through Registrar and the Government of Manipur are in the respondents in the petition. Communist Party of India Marxist Manipur State Unit has alleged that BJP's interference in the works of RSS has led to Manipur University crisis over Vice Chancellor AP Pandey, affecting career life of many students. Speaking to media persons at the party's office in Pauna Market today, Secretary of CPIM Manipur Unit Ketrimayum Santa recalled that normalcy was restored and even examinations results were declared after signing the MOA with the Ministry of Human Resource Development. He condemned VC Pandey for claiming resumption of office despite the presence of Vice Chancellor in charge of Manipur University on September 1, even before inquiry could be proceeded into allegations charged against him. He maintains there cannot be two Vice Chancellors in a university. Ashanta assured that CPIM Manipur unit will apprise the Prime Minister and the relevant authority by sending a written intimation through the party's central leaders. He also extended full solidarity to any students, public or all political party movement in demand for ousting VC Pandey.
RSS की डिक्टेट थबक तब BJP खनब मखोगी म्यूसिंग मणिपुर यूनिवर्सिटी खबई खरा साधना मणिपुर यूनिवर्सिटी मखाद तमीब छात्र लिंग कया की मराइबसे मांगनबी थबकनी है लौई हजिक BC अनी से मौत मथोमुक्तब अखोगी मयामने पामनद्रब अरानब थबक तौरीब AP पांडे से मफम से लौथोप लोइना से सस्पेंड तौब लोइना डिसमिस तौनबगी खोजंग चंसिनबदा कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया मार्क्सिस्टना सौटकनी.
Spokesperson of the state government and works minister Thongam Biswajit has urged for suggestions from all the political parties in solving various issues of the state instead of intensifying any issue. He was speaking today at the launch of a 5-day-long photo exhibition on Saaf Niyat Sahi Vikas. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Regional Outreach Bureau, Imphal, organized the event at INA Memorial Hall in Moirang. Biswajit urged the opposition party to realize its responsibility in developing the country. The minister indirectly instructed the opposition party to learn and appreciate good deeds of the government and to extend cooperation. Biswajit also urged everyone to avail the benefits of various governmental schemes on the occasion. MLA Moirang P. Sarachandra, Additional Director General of the Ministry of Broadcasting IIS, S.K. Manvia, Regional Outreach Bureau IIS, K. Soni Kumar and many people attended the event.
Suggestion positively innovatively suggest of the local way
Proscribed group Maoist Communist Party Manipur has warned of stern actions if the chairman in charge of Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM do not resign and if actions are not taken against officials involved in marks discrepancies of HSLC examination 2018 within 48 hours. Coordinator of Standing Committee of the group, Khonghan Mangang, in a press release, further demanded authority concerned to fill in the vacant post of chairman of BOSEM at the earliest. Communist Party of India CPI Manipur State Council has demanded enforcement of Highway Protection Force and has condemned NACN-IM for threatening the MSU-led cultural troupe at Nungba Market. Speaking to media persons at Iravat Bhavan today, CPI State Secretary L. Sotin Kumar opines that the unfortunate incident meted out by suspected NACN-IM cadres on September 3 proves that NACN-IM has been practicing whatever they seem fit in Naga inhabited areas. Sotin Kumar asserted that threatening drivers, illegal tax collections and even killing some people commuting along the national highways are not new to the people of the state. He said the government must punish those involved instead of issuing statements stating, "We will try to punish the culprits." Sotin Kumar said all political parties will initiate a mass movement against such incidents.
Nagagi lamda aikoina tawning matawgani adugo loinana masi Manipur gi lam natte haibana singba adugo loinana aikoigi Manipur gi firan thetpa na singba aikoi tongan ba aikoi Manipur tamna chaliba koi gari singda tawidaba sajat kayama sakhiba se masi aikoi Manipur State Council Bharat Communist Party na yam haksanna koi condemn tawi khatar pada mona thoktana ba maruoina highway sing se masi fajana protection pinana bagi adugo loinana yamna tamthi ba sajat chatpa kangbu sing se masi faraga akanba dandi pina bagi thabak kaya press tang ak thokpu na taba majina sing paikat bagi thok mayam sing se khoi tahunjaningi.
Local clubs and Maira Paibi members staged sit-ins in various parts of Imphal Valley today against extension of Article 371, Clause A and the 6th Schedule of the Indian Constitution in Manipur and against any threat to the territorial integrity of Manipur. Sit-ins were staged under the initiative of United Committee Manipur UCM at Kanchipur, Thongju, Singjamai Market, Supermarket, Chingamakha, Liwa Road, Chingamathak, Kakwa, Moirangkhom and Yai School. Protesters displayed various placards that read Apunba Shaktam Kaiba Yaroi, India Gi Kanglup Naiba Thawong Yaningde, etc. Spokesperson of UCM during the sit-ins highlighted on the negative consequences of implementing Article 371, Clause A and 6th Schedule of the Indian Constitution in Manipur. United People's Front UPF Manipur in a press release strongly condemns the verbal confrontation and assault on General Secretary of All Manipur Students Union AMSU at Nungba Market by 4 suspected NAC and IM cadres on September 3. Members of Yumnam Kunau Maira Paibi, Ishing Tenbi Maira Paibi, Lairok Kom Maira Paibi, Ishika Maira Paibi, Sinam Maira Paibi, Sinam Kom Maira Paibi and Khalok Maira Paibi Loop staged a sit-in at Yumnam Kunau Community Hall in Yumnam Kunau today against the custodial killings of 5 Manipuris, namely G. Jiteshwar alias Gypsy, T.H. Satish, Thangaujam Prem, R.K. Ranil and Pijam Naubi. The protesters condemned the alleged cold-blooded murders carried out by the personnel of 3 Corps Intelligence and Surveillance Unit CISU of the Indian Army and demanded justice for the victims. An awareness program on deceased organ donation was held at IMA Hall in Lamphel today. The awareness program was jointly organized by the Directorate of Health Services Manipur and Mohan Foundation Chennai and Indian Medical Association Manipur State Branch. Country Director of Multi-Organ Harvesting Aid Network, Mohan Foundation, Lalita Raghuram showcased a 5-minute film based on organ donation and also gave a 30-minute presentation on the concept of organ donation. Speaking in the event, she stressed the significance of organ donation in saving the lives of those in need. Lalita also mentioned that one can donate organs while still alive and even after death. She lamented that deceased organ donors are very few in the country despite lakhs of people in need of kidney, liver, heart transplants, etc. Lalita calls the need to hold various local awareness programs on organ donation.
Hopefully, we will be able to start the organ donation program here. We will have an office of Mohan Foundation, but the most important thing is we need the support of the public. Without your support, nothing is possible. So under the Director of Health, we will have an authorization committee who authorizes. They do the interview of the donor and the recipient, and they have to prove that they are doing it purely out of love and affection and not for money. Because the Transplantation of Human Organs Act that was passed in the year 1994 prevents all commercial dealings. So living relations and unrelated people after the approval of the authorization committee can donate organs. So what we do at Mohan Foundation is to promote deceased organ donation. That is, donation of organs of.
One-day national seminar on optimal diet and lifestyle strategies for management of diabetes mellitus was held today. Home Science Association of Manipur organized the event at Hotel Tantra opposite of Jennings Main Gate. Speaking on the occasion, former chairperson of Manipur State Women Commission, Dr. C.H. Jamini, asserted that one need to have skills above being healthy. She called on for empowering women's section by developing skills no less than men. Dr. Jamini hoped that the seminar will contribute in building a healthy society. She also stressed the need for holding such seminars in remote areas. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you an exclusive report on the incapacitating life of a person suffering from tuberculosis of the bone since the last 3 years. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Thingbaijam Bijen, 51 years, from Irengbam Makham, Maninglekai in Bishnupur district, has been incapacitated after suffering from bone tuberculosis since the last 3 years. Bijen drew the attention of both the government and the public to his plight. Here is an exclusive report by Impact News reporter Ilangbam Mushuk.
Thingbaijam Bijen was a carpenter and a bricklayer by profession. He has 2 sons and a daughter. Bijen was diagnosed with bone TB in 2016, which rendered him immobile. Family members took him for treatment in Guwahati by selling household items, but could not afford further treatment after returning from Guwahati due to financial constraints. Bijen's elder mother earned major income for the family by selling vegetables at Sanakai field in Lumfield. Bijen's elder son is suffering from an illness on his hand but is unable to get treatment owing to the family condition, while his second son works in field to sustain the family. Bijen's wife is confined at home taking care of him. Family members lamented that they have been trying to get Manipur State Illness Assistance Fund since 2016, but in vain.
Mala nara level je chahi ahum no phare ba 2016 ne ba sidagi makha ta na layang ba chung amdre ngamdre sigi do thok tamne senthol lambi do leitramne subi no nambi no do leitramne na mayam na yengbiraga nungsi bidu no government gi side tegi mateng hitang TV na ba haijani aina.
Priyoberta Sanasam, a local male nurse, takes care of Bijen's most of the time. He expressed that Bijen's family member have not availed any assistance from the government, not even the Chief Minister gi Haksel gi Tingbang scheme.
Land film masi adung matik yeng budu yamna nuai taba amakak oina uba da aina hidam sa hostel de pudraga ti masi atop pa ante leiroi pasaji leite ha pasaksi makhoina phajana dam haire ai khotel pa suk suk lai si lai habre gi di ade taragati pradhan de gi nijra emle de gi nijra ha pa kanta ngakwa kho ai gi lai minari ba kano sing ji ha da hangi gi na hai go to village ha mission am khak to da ade da khoi kaka gi san pa ya mi ji ga ai ga taraga samina ga disabled certificate se phangba yagadra disabled certificate phang taragati khoi chief minister gi haksel gi tengbang gi card si phangani khallaga khoi sasabani.
This is Kanal Sambanduram for Impact News reporter Ilengba Musuk.
Now moving ahead, Supreme Court's historic judgment today to defang the British-era Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code was celebrated by the third gender of the state. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Secretary of All Manipur Nupi Manbi Association, Shanta Khurai, appreciated the landmark judgment. He stated that the Apex Court's decision has added value to democracy. With scrapping of Section 377, it is now no longer an offence to engage in consensual gay sex in private.
mase mo 2011 da mo recriminalize tawreba Supreme Court of India na adudagidi khoina February 2012 da sigi judgment se amuka review tawbiyo haidana community mayamna Supreme Court ta chi ama thabadagi munna khalaganda masidi akhoina lairiba against the constitution the piriba fundamental rights sigi mayok tani haidana kai khumna ba haiba mayam dignity love respect and then privacy sigi mayam se loina consider tawraba matung da ngasidi pung taraga makhaida Supreme Court of India na section 377 se lokthokpagi nungai boina khoina press club the organization dagi lakpa khoi myam punsilaga akhoi se celebrate tawjaba
Supreme Court tagi smaina khoi gi damakta ni haiba khitang mafam pibiraktuna izat lairani haiba su khanjai adoga khoina su mayam sidai se gyan taminaraga miyoi bongi marak timbeda miyoi bo oina chalakpa matam sida khoina su gyan ta ta nei sai sana sida khoi gi chani bo khongthang sida apan ba leitaba khoina so kaiba tawbidaba sikaktani aina me apin takjani
Main Khant Myanmar Company Limited of Myanmar has donated 30 dustbins supporting Swachh Bharat Abhiyan mission of India to keep Moreh town neat and clean. Representatives of Myanmar Tamil Youth Network and Myanmar Tamil Women Society presented the dustbins during an event held at Border Trade Chamber of Commerce office in Moreh today. Speaking on the occasion, President of Myanmar Tamil Women Society Omar Win called on students and youths to inculcate the habit of using dustbins to ward off diseases. President of Myanmar Tamil Youth Network, Zaw Win Naing, locals and representatives of various organizations of Moreh attended the event. Civil administrations of India and Myanmar have inspected Indo-Myanmar borders no man's land today. Deputy Commissioner O Mint Tin Ung of Tamu Zagang region and additional Deputy Commissioner of Manipur and Bamkin led the inspection this morning around 10. O Min Tin Ung asserted that drug abusers and drug peddlers frequent no man's land for drug-related activities and urged the ADC of Moreh to cooperate in curbing the menace. He also urged ADC Bankim to help with garbage dumping issues in no man's land, an area between Moreh Wat number 5 and Namphallong Market. ADC Bankim assured to extend cooperation for the same. Additional SP Technopal K. Robinson, SDC Moreh H. Romeo, Deputy Superintendent of Police Technopal Thomas Tokchom and Town Commander 11 Assam Rifles Major Animesh joined the inspection. Manipur-based Salai Holdings is all set to start production and marketing of edible oils from Northeast Mega Food Park located at Nalbari district in Assam, where it has set up a multi-crore factory. Chairman of Salai Holdings, Samarjit Naringbam, who visited the factory site along with his economic advisor Miroslav and Zek investors, said the trial run of the factory has been completed and it is now ready for production. He said that the factory was the largest in the Northeast and has capacity to press 50 tons of oil seeds and refine 20 tons of crude seed oils. He also said he has plans to import crude oils from Southeast Asian countries like Vietnam, Indonesia and Malaysia, etc. The plant was built with a 30% subsidy from Government of India and he was waiting for an opportune moment to inaugurate it with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Minister for Food Processing. He also intimated that the oil will be branded as Salai Acha Thao and will be affordably priced for common people.
Any crude oil mayam singse, it any Vietnam, Philippines, Indonesia, Moidigi, a crude oil, Lauraga, Sida crude oil, Sigi, Laura Matunga, Sida Canada, refined to water. Raw material is a trial production whole. Over the book, Yaw we thank you whom say, was he picked on a yaw. Asomaka Sagalibu say, Asina Equigi Mati, about oil cake say, when Lauraga, many met Sakanawi Muito, I know the period I have the gate, Moina, city factories in New York. Ruba, I go Sangana, but you see the already production whole of it, over the book. Prime Minister gate when appointment live. Prime Minister, Union Minister now, when Sangabi, Padi, have the Prime Minister.
Samarjit further intimated his plans of manufacturing animal feeds from the oil cake residues produced by the factory. He said half the share of a nearby animal feed manufacturing plant has been procured for the same.
Oil cakes, when Laura, many made Sakawagi Muito, and another period had the gate, Muina, a city factories in New York, like 50% of Android. Aduga, Somnakanda, Asum Matim Catalyse, Asina, Kuyi packaging, Oin. Okay, Adu Dagadi, Sikhan to the Punya way, packaging with all, see, packaging with all, packaging ham and Abu Cutting.
Laishang Hidden Protection and Development Authority has been cleaning the historic Laishang Hidden Maril as a part of the cleanliness campaign that commenced on August 16, with an aim to develop the place into a tourist destination. Joint Secretary of the authority, Okram Bhumeshwar, urged the public not to litter in and around Laishang Hidden Maril, a canal passing from Kanchipur till Lilong, and warned of imposing 5,000 rupees fine if anyone acts otherwise. Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development IBSD organized a brainstorming session on natural resources management and rural bio-entrepreneurship in Northeast at its campus in Takil today, with an objective to prevent natural calamities in India and especially in Manipur. Speaking on the occasion, Director of IBSD, Professor Dinabandhu Sahu, asserted that abuse of natural resources and the environment has brought natural calamities in the country. In his inaugural speech, Dr. Anil K. Singh of National Academy of Agriculture Sciences cited the recent Kerala flood as a consequence of exploitation of environment by human activities. Taking part in the event, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Yumnam Khemchan, assured of all possible assistance for any projects on conservation of natural environment. Speaking to Impact News at the sidelines, IBSD Director Professor Dinabandhu Sahu said the Northeast is bestowed with abundant natural resources. However, in comparison to other states, the region is underdeveloped and still lags behind in various sectors. He stressed the need for awareness among locals on utilizing natural resources for sustaining economy without harming the environment.
The development which is happening at the moment is quite haphazard. Mostly you have the constructions and unscientific way of exploitation of the natural resources. Northeast used to get very severe flood, and there are a lot of natural calamities because there is a strong feeling that there is a lot of mismanagement about natural resources. There is indiscriminate felling of the trees, indiscriminate exploitation of water, there is no conservation. At the same time, poverty level is also very, very high in many parts of this. When we are talking about the entrepreneurship, it is not only the entrepreneurship in the big cities, but we need to create the entrepreneurship in the rural areas. Biologically, this area is quite rich. So how we can utilize the biological resources and go for the value addition and create more jobs for the unemployed youth and the farmers so that they can be engaged.
Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, in collaboration with a website www.freshesfresh.com, organized a one-day training program on marketing of horticultural produces at Youth Hostel in Kumalampak today. Speaking at the sidelines, project coordinator of the consortium, M.S. Khaidam, stated that farmers in the state face various inconveniences due to lack of proper storage and marketing facilities. He said the Indian government's target of doubling farmers' income by 2020 will prove to be a challenge until these inadequacies are resolved. He maintained that the training program was organized with an aim to guide farmers in boosting productions and marketing at the same time. 4 distinguished farmers were felicitated with gifts and mementos on the occasion.
Lomi singna putholiba posing asi marketing gi yamna achauba khudong chadaba ama thengnari phana yamna lomi singna pot puthoga su marketing tawdragadi madugi kanaba phangde maram aduna government India gi Prime Minister gi doubling of farmers income by 2022 haiba si phana yamna lomi singna pot puthoga su marketing asi khwaidagi hena maru oiba factor ama oibana masti da matau karamna karamba matamda kari pot tharaga matau kramai tawra kadai ri yongani madu yom matamda madu potna kramai transport tawgani packaging na kramai tawgani processing na kramai tawgani haiba mayam punamaksi asigi knowledge asi ngasi tembidi palongmi sing asida aikhoina masigi technology mayam asi impart tangri damakta sinjaba training program amani.
DESAM organized a one-day academic discourse on plastic pollution effects and solution at State Guest House in Sanjanthong today. Speaking to media persons, Organization and Coordination Secretary of DESAM, Somorjit Luwang said conventional plastic waste is a big reason for climate change and is hazardous for health. He asserted that improper disposal of plastic waste pollutes Imphal city. Somorjit intimated that the academic discourse was organized with resource persons, environmentalists and relevant departments to come up with an eco-friendly alternative to plastics. Civil society organizations, environmentalists, various professors from different departments and students attended the discourse.
Hariba plastic pollution sigi matangda khanaba aduga masigi chapchaba ware mama laurakanda Manipur dagi the health hazard thon ba plastic asi thingnabagi ware lo matamadu oire masina desam changchin jarkli ba khungjang sida laiba miam ambadi lairiba yamna concern oiba Manipur state government ambadi lairiba tongan ba plastic ki maram da lairiba koi tongan department ma'am su mieng changbi dana Manipur dagi plastic thingbagi khungjang asida koi puna changchin binara sa ji desam makai ti appeal tawjare.
The fortnight refresher courses cum teachers orientation program for teachers and headmasters of schools under Sadar Hills Autonomous District Council in Kangpopi District concluded yesterday. Speaking in the valedictory event held at the conference hall of Kangpopi District headquarters, Chief Executive Officer of Sadar Hills Autonomous District Kangpopi MCST Manihar asserted that such programs will bring a great change in the education sector of ADC Sadar Hills. Chairman of ADC Sadar Hills, Haukholal Hangshing, DC Kangpopi IAS, Dr. Rangita Bali Waikom, Vice Chairman of ADC Sadar Hills, Thangjaka Misao, and councillors attended the event. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Members of Manipur University Students' Union tried to storm VC Pandey's official residence in Sanjanthong. Students forsake master's class examination. VC Professor AP Pandey's petition at High Court of Manipur referred to double bench. Petition hearing proceeds tomorrow. Spokesperson of the government, Thongam Biswajit, seeks suggestions from all political parties in solving issues of the state, urges to stop intensifying issues. And Manipur-based company Salai Holdings sets forth to produce edible oils branded as Salai Achathao from its multi-crore factory in Nalbari district of Assam.